Oh, Winter Creek Trail? I wish I had a hiking buddy.
Did someone say hiking? Huh. Looks like nature. Yep, that's nature. Ho ho ho! Nature is also beautiful. Yes. Waterfall. Yes, all the pretty waterfalls and the boulders. Yes, yes, yes. All the mossies. All right, forward we go. See this moment? This is where people have died. Yes. You shall follow. Listen to me, grab ropes. And we shall go forward. Indeed. Alright. I yell at you because I love you. Goodbye. Very pretty. Yes, pretty but deadly. Watch yourself. Yes, very gorgeous. Pretty gorgeous, actually. Alright, climb rope we go. Woo. Catching a breather. Got a bit more climbing to go, but I think I'm making good progress. All right, peace out. Is this real moss? Okay, now we're off. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful scenery. Scenery. Mwah. All right. Back to time-lapse. Time-lapse 3, 2, you get it. Well, there's a fork in the road. We must go and take the fork. We're about to commence hiking. Smells like nature. Huh? Alrighty, well this is me at the end of the trailhead. Well, back at the beginning, like most things do. Anyways, in all seriousness, it's not required, but if you give a like and subscribe, you'll see me again. Alright, ta-ta for now. Later, bros.